Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix game linked to different accounts on Ubisoft Connect, your Rainbow Six Siege. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start menu over here and look for Steam. Right-click, Open File Location, and then right-click again, Open File Location. Over here, I want you to scroll all the way up until you locate to this folder Steam apps. So click on it, go to Common, and locate Rainbow Six Siege. For example, let's just pretend this is Rainbow Six Siege. Let me just choose, okay, this one. Click on it and select the application or exe file. Right click, go to Properties, and then go to Compatibility. Make sure to select Run this program as the admin. Click on Apply, and then OK. Then go ahead, relaunch your game. Everything should now be working smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.